Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of generic PnP monitor on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, this issue is totally with the monitor drivers, and all you need to do is search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of monitors. Now, I just have an integrated monitor, but if you have another one, right click on it and uninstall the device. Be careful, don't uninstall both of them at once, or else the display will stop. Click on action and scan for hardware changes. Then the next one is to update the display drivers. So expand display drivers and update each one of them individually. First one and then second one, and then finally. Okay, these two solutions should fix the problem in 99% cases, but if it does not, in that case, it could be an issue with missing and corrupt files on the computer. So we will perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.